I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Salesforce to Excel. We'll explore several straightforward methods to bring your valuable customer relationship management data into your spreadsheets. You'll learn how to export reports, leverage powerful add-ins, and utilize Excel's built-in features for seamless integration. Our goal is to help you efficiently manage and analyze your Salesforce information, ensuring your data is always current and ready for insightful reporting. Let's dive into making your data work harder for you. There are several effective ways to link your Salesforce data with Excel. One common approach involves manually exporting reports directly from Salesforce, saving them as CSV or Excel files. For more dynamic connections, many users opt for specialized Excel add-ins, which offer direct, often two-way synchronization. Additionally, Excel's native Get Data feature, particularly with Power Query, provides powerful options for importing and transforming Salesforce information. For complex workflows, third-party integration platforms can automate data transfers between the two systems. Let's walk through connecting Salesforce using a popular Excel add-in. First, you'll need to find and install an add-in, often available from the Salesforce App Exchange or a third-party provider. Once installed, open Excel and launch the add-in, then securely authorize it to access your Salesforce account using your credentials. Next, you'll select the specific Salesforce objects like accounts or opportunities and choose the fields you wish to import. Finally, with a few clicks, your live Salesforce data will load directly into your Excel worksheet, ready for your analysis. Connecting Salesforce to Excel offers significant advantages for your data management. You gain real-time insights, as your Excel spreadsheets can reflect the most current Salesforce information, enabling quicker, more informed decisions. Excel's robust analytical tools can then be applied to this rich data, enhancing your reporting capabilities. Automating data refreshes saves countless hours of manual work, freeing up your team for more strategic tasks. Ultimately, this integration helps maintain high data accuracy and consistency, providing a unified view of your customer information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.